adhesives and sealants. This is obviously a huge topic, so we're not going to be able to cover every single different type of sealant and adhesive on the market. I'm just going to discuss what I've experienced in my 20 years of facilities maintenance, what has worked well. So, for example, traditional duct tape that you buy is inferior. It doesn't last long. It starts to come apart. It doesn't stick well. And traditional duct tape you'd buy like at Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot, you really don't want to use to seal your ductwork. Ideally, you want to use a product like this for your duct tape purposes. It's much stronger, lasts a lot longer. It's weatherproof. It's worked well for me. If you're actually sealing HVAC ducts, you want to use actual duct sealant, sometimes called mastic compound, and you put that on with like a paintbrush or this aluminum foil high heat tape that has good adhesion. Again, use the proper tape for the proper thing or for the job. When it comes to silicone sealants, in restrooms and kitchens and anywhere there's moisture, sealing around windows and doors, exterior use, you want to make sure you read the tube. Some are for interior and exterior. Some are just for interior use. Some are paintable. Some are not paintable. The 100% silicone ones like this generally will be mold and mildew resistant, whereas other ones, depending on what their chemical makeup is, are not. So again, read the label, and they come in different colors. Then we get into epoxies, two-part epoxies that you mix together or that mix themselves inside an injection syringe tube like you see here, like JB Weld. That's for permanent strong bonds. And again, some of these will adhere to different type of materials. So again, read the label. When we get into super glues, there's different manufacturers. Some are very runny and watery. Some are like a gel, depending on if you're trying to glue something horizontally or vertically. Some are instant adhesives. Some give you longer working time. So here again, it's important to read the label and don't get it on your skin. And on the left side, we have liquid nails, which is a construction adhesive. So say you're installing some faux bricks or faux stonework on a facade, you can use that for that process. If you got to install a new gasket, let's say you're rebuilding an engine, this RTV silicone gasket maker works well for that kind of application, high heat. It remains flexible. There's also spray adhesives. Again, with these, usually you have to spray both sides of what you're gluing together until it gets tacky, and then you push both pieces together. And again, these come in different strengths and will adhere to different materials, so you want to read the label. And then if you're gluing together wood, if you have a wood project, you're doing some woodworking, this has been a good product that I found, works really well, dries fast, nice strong bond. If you're patching your roof or sealing around roof penetrations, I found this product works well. We've actually used this product to reseal the entire roof on our air compressor room and on top of our air handler. Both were leaking, the roofs were old. It wasn't in the budget to replace the entire roofing material. So we just cleaned the roof and applied this product, and it's worked well. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.